If you are ready to upgrade your TV sound with a soundbar, chances are that you may look for an entry-level or a cost-effective model. You may not even consider a good mid-range or a higher quality soundbar that offers more value for your money. Entry-level soundbars might look like an easy choice, but there are plenty of reasons why you need to look at some premium quality options. So, what are these reasons? That's exactly what we'll be looking at in this video. Before we dive in, please subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Now, let's dig in. First, let's look at the most important aspect, that is sound quality. Entry-level soundbars offer a lower price by integrating cheaper components, especially their drivers, which means you are compromising on sound quality and long life of the unit. Premium soundbars, on the other hand, not only integrate high-quality components, but a whole lot of digital signal processing goes into delivering a superior listening experience. For example, Yamaha's clear voice technology enhances dialogues while maintaining a balance with other audio elements like sound effects and music, etc. Premium soundbars also integrate multiple drivers and either have built-in or external subwoofers for an impressive bass output even from a compact build factor. Many premium models also have wireless subwoofers that offer more freedom in terms of placement option and lesser wire clutter. When it comes to surround sound, premium soundbars outpace entry-level models by miles. Many models bring in popular certified surround technologies like Dolby Audio, DTS, Dolby Atmos, and DTS Virtual X, etc. to deliver an immersive virtual 3D surround sound. Many brands may also integrate their proprietary technology to create a virtual surround sound experience. Speaking of surround sound, some premium models may also include additional surround speaker units for an out-of-box wireless 5.1 channel surround sound system. Many mid-range or high-end soundbars also feature built-in presets or sound modes based on applications such as movie, gaming, music, sports, and news, etc. Many also allow customization options to adjust the bass and treble as required. Premium soundbars take sound customization even further by providing smartphone apps that bring in graphic or parametric equalizers, pre-designed presets, and the ability to save custom profiles. These apps can also use the built-in microphone of smartphones and play the role of a calibration mic to auto EQ, calibrate, or optimize the sound based on the room's acoustics. The smartphone app is one of the most useful tools and value propositions that premium soundbars can offer. Now, let's look at connectivity options and usage. Many entry-level soundbars may only have analog inputs such as aux or RCA. This means you completely miss out on the benefits of high-resolution digital audio and the processing power it can bring. Some entry-level soundbars may have one HDMI input, but the quality of connectors, pin configuration, and implementation of HDMI standards may be questionable. In contrast, premium soundbars from leading brands offer a better experience with HDMI connectivity. Entry-level soundbars may not even have ARC or EARC for audio return from your smart TV. If you have an HDR-enabled 4K TV, check whether the soundbar includes a pass-through. This is a feature only premium soundbars may offer. Also, some high-end models offer multiple HDMI inputs. Poor implementation of HDMI standards means some entry-level models cannot harness the benefits of CEC. This includes controlling the soundbar using the TV's remote, among other applications. Some may argue that even entry-level soundbars have optical or toslink inputs which should easily carry digital audio signals. This certainly is true. However, there are some trade-offs. For example, if you have connected a TV or media player that sends Dolby or DTS encoded signals via optical to an entry-level soundbar that does not have the technology to decode this information, the soundbar will simply downmix the signal while losing out on important surround information. The final output could be no different than using any analog connection. While all new soundbars have Bluetooth, the quality of the chipset and codecs used inside could be a mystery. Inferior or substandard chipsets and codecs lead to poor sound quality, lower operating range or distance, and frequent signal dropouts. High-end soundbars usually integrate class-leading technologies such as Qualcomm's CSR series chipsets with aptX HD codecs that deliver superior signal and sound fidelity. Many high-end soundbars also have Wi-Fi or an Ethernet port for internet connectivity. This lets you use online streaming services such as Spotify and Amazon Music, etc. Network capabilities in premium soundbars also bring in integration with their respective proprietary platform such as Yamaha's MusicCast and Denon HEOS, etc. This can deliver wireless multi-room music streaming or even surround sound in some models. Today's premium soundbars also integrate Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for voice-based automation and wireless interaction with other equipment in your ecosystem. Here are some recommendations from Uberpad. Denon's DHT S316, Yamaha's MusicCast Bar 400 soundbar YAS408 with a wireless subwoofer, and Yamaha YAS209 with wireless subwoofer are some models that we recommend. They offer amazing sound quality and features and are budget-friendly yet premium. At Uberpad, we have an extensive collection of high-end soundbars from leading global brands. Be sure to check them out. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more such interesting and informational videos. Thank you for watching.